Welcome to Sana Nail Art Therapy, how to apply gel tips.
This is a reusable way, allows up to 3 days of wear.
Start with opening your application kit and taking out the orange wood stick and file. Make the flat side of the orange wood stick thinner and sharper with the help of a file. Now that it's perfectly thin, push back cuticles, one fingernail at a time. Repeat this step on 5 nails or all 10 fingernails. File the free edge of each nail shorter. You may want to make the edges of the file softer by buffing it with a buffer and to avoid cutting the skin. If your nails are thin and weak, skip the next step. Buff the surface of all your nails for better adhesion of the gel tips. Use the corner of the buffer to remove excess skin from the nail. Repeat the step on all 5 or all 10 nails at a time. Take your time. Enjoy the process. You deserve to take care of yourself. Use the alcohol prep pad to remove the dust and oils from the nails. It's better before these steps all of your nails are filed and buffed. So you can use this alcohol prep pad on all 10 nails. Get the double-sided adhesive tabs ready and apply the soft gel nail tips with any gorgeous nail art that you previously made. Remove the protective layer from the tabs. Usually, the widest tab fits the thumbnail. Apply a good amount of pressure to stick the tab to the nail, then remove the top layer of the tab to expose the sticky part. Start pressing the nail from the cuticle down and get as close to the cuticle as possible. Apply pressure. When applied correctly, the nail tip is securely attached. Let's size the index finger to the proper double-sided tab. Apply pressure to attach it to the nail and then remove the upper layer. Again, get as close as possible to the cuticle, then press the nail from the cuticle down. Apply pressure. It is securely attached now. Size the middle fingernail next. Then repeat all the previous steps. You're doing an excellent job. Size the tab to the ring fingernail next. Attach the full cover gel nail tip to the nail. It's looking gorgeous already. The first hand is almost done. Pinky nail finger is next. Repeat all the steps. Look at these gorgeous nails. Repeat all the steps for the second hand. I'll see you in the next video, beautiful soul.